Hey everybody, it's Andy from MNMoto. I'm here to do a quick video, hopefully, that I did not find when I was looking up something on my V-Star. And that is how to take a stock control and put on rubber grips. These are Chinese knockoffs, but this would also work for Biltwell or any other rubber grips that work on a 1-inch motorcycle handlebar. So one side is 1 inch, another side is a 7/8 or whatever works on a throttle sleeve. Throttle sleeves for the V-Star are approximately 50 bucks. Most grips are $80–90, and I just wanted to rig something up to be able to try out some different handlebars, and then if I like the setup, then buy some nicer ones. So what I wanted to show you is, if you take off the factory throttle sleeves, you can just use these on the new handlebars, but you won't be able to use the weights because the bar head weights screw into the end of the factory handlebars. So if you want to do like a Biltwell grip or something similar to get that style, or not have to spend, for an Avon or a Kiriakin grip, you just take the rubber and you basically pry it off of. All right. And then once you get that off, it might be easier to cut off than pull it off that way, but that's just the way I got it off. You can always take a razor blade, cut down it, and just peel it off that way if you're not going to use them again or whatever. And then there is this chrome piece. To get this chrome piece out, there's a little rubber O-ring in there, and you pull that O-ring out, and then it just slides off like that. And then you have a free throttle tube. It does have these ridges on it, so I would make sure that you do a very good job of gluing the new throttle tube on there. And then, obviously, then you just take this, and that'll be the same diameter to be able to get this on here. And I would put the glue or the, whatever you're using for throttle grip on there, push it all the way down, and then it should go all the way down to here where the old one was. You'll have just that little black space there, and then your throttles, and then you'll be able to put your Biltwell grips right on your motorcycle. Here is the throttle tube with the grip inserted. Slid right on there using the grip glue. Everything's fine. It's really soft rubber, so you have to be kind of careful, get it on there real quick before the grip glue solidifies. The grips are pretty thin. I don't know how long they're going to last. Because of the ridges underneath that you saw on the throttle tube, you can kind of tell, hopefully the camera catches it, you can kind of tell that it's a little bit squared off of a grip almost. Like it's almost like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a pentagon shape with some ridges in it where it's not perfectly even. But that actually feels good in your hand. And for the price, for the 10 bucks I paid for these, I think this is going to be pretty cool. And it will look a lot more Harley chopper style, and a lot less plastic chrome. And I will do a follow-up video once I get the new handlebars. And what I'm going to do is I am going to put Harley Davidson handlebars, probably from a Heritage or a Street Bob that I get used on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace on my V-Star, shooting for around 50 bucks. And then with this, using the factory throttle tube and these grips that I got from China, which are similar to Biltwell, I will list them in the description below. I should be able to do a full handlebar swap to eliminate the buckhorn style and get into a better ape hanger style for roughly 75 bucks all in. Hopefully that's something that'll help a lot of people out that drive V-Stars and do not like the factory handlebar setup. I know a lot of people go to Roadstar Tour Deluxe or something like that, so that it could use the factory grips and do it. But you get into the Harley takeoff parts, and it just opens up a whole new avenue. So if you like this video, if it's helpful, subscribe, like the video, and hopefully this is some valuable content to somebody out there. Thank you. Bye.